How to add shares to Yahoo portfolio. Follow these instructions. Go to Yahoo Finance website, sign in with your account, and click on My Portfolio from the top navigation bar. From the list of your portfolios, select the one where you want to add your new stock shares or update your holdings. Inside your selected portfolio, click on the +@ symbol button to search and add a new stock to your portfolio list. Type the company name or stock symbol in the search bar, then click Add symbol to include it in your portfolio. After adding the symbol, click on the + transaction button next to the stock name you just added to your list. Choose the transaction type as Buy, then enter how many shares you bought, at what price, and on which date. Carefully review all the details you filled in. Check the stock, date, quantity, and price to make sure everything is right.
Thanks for watching.